Everyone, I'm back with another video, and this one is cleaning my room. As you can see, I'd let it get a little bit out of hand, but if you want to see how I got to this point, how it looks after, then just keep watching. So I guess starting with the bed is a good starting point as any. So first I'm changing the sheets, and then I'll make my bed.
But I can find the reasons why. You always find a small excuse to leave.
I'd gotten a new quilt, a new bedspread right before Christmas. I just hadn't taken the time to take it out of the box and set it up. And also in the picture, because I ordered it online from Walmart, but in the picture it looked like it had a little bit more green, that it would match my sheets, but oh well, it still looks nice.
Screaming out. Don't go, just leave. No, stay with me.
And I was also pleasantly surprised that it came with some pillow shams. So I think what took the longest to do in the whole room was this giant pile of laundry. I usually save it to the very end, but as you can see here, I'm doing it kind of in the middle. I just wanted to knock it out because I know that if I save it to the end, then it's probably not going to get done. To me, it always seems easier if I separate the pile of laundry into my pile and then my husband's pile, and then I divide that into even further into what needs to be on a hanger and what goes folded in the drawers.
I would say we were good together. I would say we had fun, but our trails will never run forever. Something else is on your mind, like everything that's good in life always come to an end. We're letting go, drifting apart. There's no use trying to pretend. And I know that it's all got the look on your face.
I think my camera even got bored with me doing the laundry because it cut out the footage of me putting everything on hangers and putting everything away.
Please, don't cry for me.
Oh, the struggle with cords and wires is real.
I can hurt you like you hurt me too. Then we make love when we are done. Breaking up and then get back It's so hard to explain, but the words is the pain when you pronounce my name. Gloria, please, don't cry for me. Don't cry for me. Gloria, please. Oh, Gloria, please, don't cry for me. Why do everything that's good in life always come to an end? We letting go, drifting apart. There's no use trying to pretend. And I know that it's over. Got a look on your face. But the words is the pain when you pronounce.
I just love these little dusters that actually, I ordered it from Amazon. It was a pack of 3, and it really just picks up all the dust and dog hair. I have a white dog, so on my dark dresser it seems like everything shows.
Cry for me. Oh yeah, I would try not, yeah, to cry. Gloria, Gloria.
And my favorite part, the vacuuming. I think just everything looks so much cleaner in the room after you vacuum.
Oh no, I gave my heart away. I went a bit too far, so wrong. Oh no, open up my soul, but babe, how could I know you're cold? Shame on you, should have seen what you were like. Dangerously nice, you got me on lost.
And I just love my e-cloth mop. It just seems like it makes mopping easier.
You fooled me once, but I ain't falling twice.
And here it is. This is what it looks after. I just love the way a clean room looks.
I ain't gonna run. My rise has just begun. I'll shine. Shame on you. Should have seen what you were like. Dangerously nice.
And Jax loves a clean room too.